In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use custom fields in Joomla 4. Custom fields in Joomla are a great way to tailor your content input precisely to your needs. Whether you're running a simple blog or a complex professional site, using custom fields can greatly enhance your content management capabilities. Let's get started and walk through the process together. First, you'll need to log into your Joomla administrator panel. This is the crucial starting point as it's your gateway to all things Joomla, including setting up custom fields. Once you're logged in, you'll want to navigate over to the content section in the main menu. From there, find and click on the fields option. This is where the magic happens. With the fields section open, you'll notice a button labeled plus new. Go ahead and click this to begin creating a new custom field. Now you'll see a form that needs to be filled out. Let's dive into what each part of this form means and how you should fill it out. First, you'll be asked to provide a title for your custom field. An example might be entering price if your field is to input price details. This title will be crucial information for identifying your field later. Next, you'll need to decide on the type of field you want to create. Joomla provides a variety of choices such as text, calendar, URL, image, checkbox, and more. Choose the one that best fits the kind of data you're planning to collect with this field. As you fill out these details, you'll see a field labeled name. Joomla handles this for you automatically, generating a logical name based on your title. It's best to leave this as it is to ensure consistency and avoid unnecessary complications later. Moving on, you'll have the option to select a field group. This categorizes your custom field, which can be quite helpful in keeping things organized, especially if you end up creating a lot of fields. If you haven't set up any groups yet or don't see the need, you can leave this set to none. Next, you'll decide on a label. This is important because it's how users will see this field within forms on the site, so ensure that it's clear and descriptive. There's also an option to set a default value if you want an initial value to automatically populate in this field upon form load. This step is optional, so only use it if necessary. Under the Options tab, you can configure more specific settings related to the field's visibility and display. This is particularly useful if you want certain fields to appear only for specific user groups or under particular conditions. Once you've got everything set up just the way you like it, it's time to finalize everything by clicking Save and Close. By doing this, your custom field is now part of your Joomla system and ready to be used within your content management processes. And there you have it, a complete guide to setting up custom fields in Joomla 4. With these tools at your disposal, you can enhance your Joomla sites with customized data inputs that cater exactly to your needs. Thanks for watching and happy Joomlaing.